In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Salesforce. This process is a crucial step for many teams that rely on both platforms to enhance their project management and customer relationship management capabilities. By integrating Jira with Salesforce, you'll enable seamless communication between your project management and sales teams, ensuring that everyone stays updated on task progress and customer information. Let's get started by heading over to your Jira account. When you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Apps option. This will open up a drop-down menu, and you'll want to select Explore More Apps to access the Atlassian Marketplace. This marketplace is where we can find the necessary tools to bridge our Jira and Salesforce systems. Once in the marketplace, use the search bar to type in Connector for Salesforce. This search will bring up several results, but you'll want to look for the option titled Connector for Salesforce and Jira. Go ahead and click on this app to visit its specific page. A brief overview will give you an idea of what this connector can do for you, but for now, let's focus on getting it integrated. Next, you'll see an option labeled Try It Free. Click on this to initiate a trial period for the connector. This is a useful way to test out its features and see how it fits into your workflow without any initial cost. Allow a moment for the application to load fully. Once it's ready, you'll be invited to review and check some permissions. It's a good habit to go through these details so you're aware of what the connector will access. After reviewing, you will see the Start Free Trial button. Clicking on this will activate the trial, giving you access to all the necessary features to complete the integration process. Now return to the Connector for Salesforce and Jira page and navigate to the Connections section. Here, we begin building the bridge between the two platforms. Click on Add Connection to start a new link. When prompted, provide a descriptive name for your connection. A name that clearly indicates what it's for can be really helpful later. You'll also need to focus on setting up your Salesforce environment correctly. This step configures the platform to allow communication with Jira. With that configured, click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions for this connection. Following authorization, you'll be redirected to a Salesforce page. Look for the Allow button and click it. This step completes the authorization process, enabling data to flow between Salesforce and Jira as configured. Finally, you'll have the option to choose whether you want to import existing data now or do it at a later time. Deciding on this will depend on your immediate needs and workflow. And there you have it. You have successfully integrated Jira with Salesforce. This integration should greatly enhance your team's productivity, allowing smoother and more efficient operations. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.